Hello music producers and welcome to CEO Nation Z. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to de-ess vocals. Alright, now so there are many ways that people do this and there are many ways to achieve this. Some people use Maximus, some people use EQs, some people use various methods to do this. But in this video we're going to be using a third-party plugin and it is called Nova. And by the way, there's a link in the description to go ahead and get this plugin. There is a free one, there's a free version, and there's also the paid version with some more features. But the free version can do everything that you want it to do concerning de-essing. So that's what we're going to be doing for now. So just go over to the link in the description and go ahead and get this plugin and come and jump right in. So as you can see, this is what we have going on here. So this is the vocal right here we're going to be de-essing. Alright. So guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert 3. So as you can see, when I mention the C, you can hear some harsh frequencies that are coming out of it. And the de-essing is going to do a lot of good to that. So as you can see, we have just 4 handles right here. That is, I think that this is the highest for this free version. It just has 4. I think the premium version has more than this. So first of all, what you want to do before you go ahead and de-ess anything or go ahead and mess out with anything here is to change this over to in. And once you do this, you now begin to see the waveforms from the audio that you're playing. Let's have a listen and let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert 3. But we don't want this actually. We don't want the two sounds to be heard because it is like doubling the sound. Alright, so once we now have this, what you want to do from here is you just want to use only one of this. So as you can just go ahead and turn other 3 off and just leave only one. Then here, this is where you use both your eyes and most importantly your ears, because every different vocal will have a different spectrum, will have a different frequency spectrum, and also will have also different S signal. So you have to just listen good and then listen for those S frequencies and then you duck them down. So first of all, let's play the audio and let's see what we have going on. And we don't want the sounds to double. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert. So as you can see, I can go ahead and move this. I can move this using the frequency. Alright, so I think some harsh frequencies are around this 10k margin. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from. Perfect. Alright, then what you want to do now is you want to turn on the threshold. And once you turn this on, you see that. Once you turn this on, then you go ahead to reduce it, and you can see you have a blue line. All right, you have a blue line right here, and what this does is that it sets like a threshold where when the frequency passes this margin, it automatically docks it, and this is called dynamic EQ. So it automatically reduces the frequency once it reaches that margin. If it doesn't reach that margin, then it is good to go. All right. So once I play the track now, you see that this handle right here is going to be moving up and down as the audio goes up and down also. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert 3. But we don't want this actually. We don't want this. And as you can see, we also have our Q here. So we can either tighten the Q or we can expand it more. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it a little bit so that it doesn't affect other frequencies at the other side that I want to keep, by the way. And then I think I might go ahead and duck this down a little bit. And then, like I said before, all you need to do here now is just to listen good and find what works best. Definitely what works for this audio might not work for your own audio, so you just have to go ahead and play with the dials, listen good, and find what works best. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert 3. But we don't want this actually. We don't want the two sounds to be heard because it is like doubling the sound, and we don't want the sounds to double. We just want. Alright, so guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert 3. But we don't want this actually. Alright, and that is that. So let's have a listen to the before and after. This is before the de-essing.
All right. So guys, as you can see, we have.
Go ahead and listen to when I mentioned the C, you can hear some harsh frequencies that are coming out from it.
All right. So guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert 3.
And then this is after the de-essing.
All right. So guys, as you can see, we have our sound coming from insert 1 and also insert 3.
Alright guys, so that is that for this tutorial. Please, if you like the video, don't hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks guys for supporting me, I really appreciate it a lot. Till we meet again, stay safe and see you in the next one.